In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sites without publishing. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you're working on a project but aren't quite ready to make it live just yet. Let's dive in. First, let's understand a basic but crucial fact about Google Sites. Anything you do in your Google site automatically saves. Yes, you heard me right. The platform is designed to help ease the worry of losing your progress. As you're working within Google Sites, whether you're adding text, images, or any kind of content, every change is instantly captured and stored. This autosave feature means you can focus entirely on being creative and accurate without the distraction of hitting a save button every few minutes. Now, for those of you who like a little confirmation that your hard work isn't lost, here's something you'll appreciate. Direct your attention to the top of your Google Sites page. What you'll notice there is a message that reads "All changes saved in Drive." This little assurance is your green light that everything you've done is securely stored within your Google Drive. It's a reassuring feature, especially if you're in the midst of a particularly detailed project. For those worrying about having to publish their work just to save it, Google Sites has got you covered. Unlike some platforms where content can only be stored through active publishing, here there is a distinct separation between saving your work and making it public. On Google Sites, you can save all your progress without having to publish it for the world to see. This separation means your unpublished work remains private, accessible only to you or to the collaborators you choose to share it with. It truly offers peace of mind, allowing you to refine and perfect your site before you unveil it to your audience. Moreover, having these changes saved directly to Google Drive brings in another level of organization and interoperability among Google services. It makes it easier to manage your files and access them from anywhere on any device. Plus, if you're already using Google Drive for other documents or spreadsheets, being able to keep your Google Sites projects in the same ecosystem streamlines your workflow significantly. As we wrap up, remember that the ability to save without publishing provides you with the freedom to experiment and create without limitations. You can take your time perfecting everything, knowing that all your updates and changes are neatly saved away. You can preview your site to see how it would look live, but rest assured it stays private until you decide it's time to publish. Keeping control over when and how your content becomes public ensures that when you do share it, your site is polished to perfection. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helped clarify how you can make the most of Google Sites' save features without the pressure of immediate publishing. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.